Hi guys, this is Neha Naik and welcome to Get Curried. So today we are making French toast that is sweet, has bananas in it and peanut butter. I am excited, so let's get started. Let's take some whole wheat bread slices and trim off their edges. Now we'll flatten the bread slices with the help of a rolling pin. We are flattening the bread slices so that it's easier for us to roll them up later on. Now the breads are done, we'll take the bananas, peel them and slice them. Now we'll be making the egg mixture. We'll be taking 2 eggs. Now I'll add 120 ml of milk. One teaspoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of cinnamon powder. We'll mix this with the help of a whisk. Now our egg mixture is ready. We'll start with assembling the French toast. We'll take a bread slice. If you want, you can flatten it again. Then we'll apply some peanut butter on it. Instead of peanut butter, you can use Nutella, you can use chocolate spread, anything of your choice. Just make sure that you apply the peanut butter right up to the edges. Now we'll place the banana slices on it. Now we'll roll it up. Just press onto the sides to make sure that the edges are closed. Similarly, we'll repeat with the other bread slices. In a pan, we'll take some butter. Let the butter melt. Meanwhile, we'll take the egg mixture, we'll take the bread rolls and dip it in the egg mixture. Soak the bread rolls on all the sides, but don't let them sit in the mixture for too long, otherwise they'll get all soggy. Gently place the rolls in the pan. Make sure that the bread rolls are cooked from all 4 sides. Look at the lovely color the French toast has got. And this is exactly how it should be, you know. That's how you know you're done. Our French toast is ready. Let's drizzle some melted chocolate on it to make it more tempting. I'll be making this for breakfast tomorrow morning and so can you. Do let us know what you think of the recipe in the comment section below. For such easy yummy recipes, subscribe to Get Curried.